A 950 kilogram blue car is traveling at 12 meters per second when it collides with a red car. After the collision, the blue car moves south at 3 meters per second. Find the impulse that acted on the car. So let's sort of draw this out. I guess I could use blue, no? I don't know. Does this have blue? Yeah, it has blue. Great. We've got a blue car. And it travels north at 12 meters per second. So this is 12 meters per second. It collides with the red car. I'm not going to draw it. And after the collision, the blue car moves south 3 meters per second. Okay, so this is the way I'm going to draw it. Let me just make it a little thinner. There. So let's find the impulse that acted on the car. We know that impulse, if you remember, is a change in momentum, and that equals the mass times final velocity minus initial velocity. Remember, u is initial velocity here. We know that the blue car is 950 kilograms. We know that the final velocity is south. Remember, all of these are vectors. It's going south at 3 meters per second, right? That's the end. So it's -3. And we're going to subtract the initial velocity, which is 12. And this is meters per second. So that would be 950 kilograms times -15 meters per second. And that will equal negative 14,215 meters per second, which is approximately the 14,000 Newton seconds. I forgot kilograms here. Newton seconds going south, right? Because it is negative. So it's about 14,000 Newton seconds going south.